Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss our last topic of chapter number 8, Objects in MS PowerPoint 2016, and the topic is Creating a Photo Album Presentation. In this chapter, we have discussed how we can insert different objects like pictures, shapes, smart art graphics and text box. At last, we are going to learn how to create a photo album presentation using different photos which are present in our computer or desktop. So let us start. For that, we need to open a blank presentation. For that, we will go at File and then we will click on New and we will click on Create option. A blank presentation will be present in front of us. For that, we are going to click on Insert tab and in that Insert tab, we will click on Photo Album. In that photo album, we will get two options, New Photo Album and Edit Photo Album. Now we cannot use Edit Photo Album. Now we can only create our new photo album. So we will click on this and we will get a window of photo album. In that we will see options Insert Pictures From and Insert Text. If we want to insert picture, then we will click on File and then a picture window will open in front of us and we will select the pictures, whichever picture we want to insert. जो भी picture का album बनाना है, we need to select all the pictures. So here are few pictures and I want to create album of these pictures. So for that we are going to click and drag and select all 6 pictures. And after selecting, we will click on Insert tab. Once we have clicked on Insert tab, we will get these all 8 pictures in sequence and we can check which of the picture is being inserted. Either it is wrong or right. If you want to change the position of the picture, then you can click it through the down arrow. This picture of desert will be shifted down. And if you want to shift this picture of penguin in upper position, then you can click on up. So like this we can change the position of the picture according to our need. Now after that we are going to see the color or the rotation. If you want to rotate this picture, then we will click on this and like this the picture will get rotated. But if you do not want to do the rotation, then no need to use these pictures. Now here is the option for the brightness. Like this we can increase or decrease the color and brightness. So we can use all these 3 options. After that, if you want to insert a text box after this picture, then we can click on Insert Text Box. A blank text box will be automatically inserted when we will see our slide. But here I do not want. So for that I will click on Remove. So if you want to remove any of the picture, then you can select the picture and click on Remove. So that will be removed. Now let us come to album layout. Now how our album is going to look. So for that we are going to select the picture layout. What are the layouts present? You want to see one picture in one slide, then we will select one picture. And here we are getting the preview of the slide. ऐसा हम लोगों का slide दिखेगा. Here is the preview. If you want to set 2 pictures in one slide, then you can do like this and this is the preview of the slide. Or if you want to use 4 pictures, then it will be like this and this is the preview of the slide. Here also the pictures are arranged in that manner. So basically it is up to us how we want to arrange our pictures. Now if you want to give picture number 1 and with the title, then you see title is being inserted. If you want to give 2 picture and a title, then title will be inserted. But I am going to choose here only one picture, and for that picture I will be applying a different frame shape. Now what are the frame shape? It can be rounded rectangle, है ना, or a simple white frame, or a simple black frame, है ना, whichever frame we want we can apply. So I am just going to select the option of compound frame black, that is this. And if you want to apply a theme, है ना, then we can go to browse. In the theme option, this is the theme, and we will click on browse. Here are different themes. Here we are not getting the preview, but we can just select any of the theme and click on the select. Okay, now we are going to click on create. Be very much prepared, children. Once you have done all the options, selected all the options, then only we are going to click on create. So we will click on create. Now our picture album is created. You can see the picture album is created. Now if you want to create a different kind of background, then we can apply different background, or if you want to change the color of this, do the desired changes as we want. Like this we can select it, and we can go to home tab. We can increase or decrease the size, or we can change the color if we want to change. So like this I have changed. So this is how it will look. Now my dear children, I will be showing how your photo album is looking. So for that we will click on slideshow, and this is how the photo album is looking. Now what we are going to do, now we are going to apply few transitions. Transitions are basically applied to give a different style or different animation to the complete slide. So for that what we will do, we will click on slide number 1 and go to transition, and from here we are going to select any of the option. Like this I am just going to select random bars. So this is how slide number 1 will come. Now we will select slide number 2 and we will choose this one. Slide number 3 and choose different transition. As per your choice, we can choose our transitions. There are different kinds of transitions which are available in PowerPoint in transition tab. Make sure my dear children you all are in transition tab. वो transition tab में ही आपको क्या होगा मिलेगा. This is how, as you can see, जैसे कि मैं कर रही हूँ. So like this you can select your slides one by one and you can apply the transition according to your desire, according to your choice. You can insert or apply the transition, and also you can see the preview you can see, so that you could understand how it is looking, what are the changes you need to do. So like this we have done for 7th. Now we will do for the 8th one. There are 9 slides, so that's why it is just taking time. Now like this I have just given any of the transitions. So now my dear children we will go to preview, and once we will see how it is looking, है ना. अगर किसी का भी चेक करना है तो प्रीव्यू में जाओ और देख लो कि कैसा लग रहा है, और if you want to do any changes just select it and do the change. Now I will be showing you in the full screen so that you could understand how your slide is looking after applying different kinds of slide transitions. Now we will click on slideshow. Now here this is our slide number, different slide. Let us just first of all go to slide number 1, go to slideshow tab, and we will click from beginning. तो ये कहाँ आएगा, first से आएगा. So now this is slide number 1, slide number 2, slide number 3, 4 and so on. These are called slide transitions. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं slide transitions, and this is how you can create a beautiful photo album of your family, of any festival, of any of the member. जो भी चाहो आप अपना transition उसमें क्या कर सकते हो, apply कर सकते हो, and you can create your own photo album. So I hope my dear children You would now know how to create your own photo album presentation, and you would also know that how to insert transitions and make your slide beautiful. So try it out my dear children. This is very interesting. Thank you my dear children.